This is something that I want to see more people do, especially through a recession, especially through a more challenging real estate market. Many people are defaulting into what will be not desirable deals in their market just because they don't know how to get out and start looking for deals elsewhere. What's up, everybody? You are absolutely in for a treat today. I've been getting this question a lot. How do I invest remotely? How do I even know what market I should go into? Well, today in this video, I'm gonna uncover all of that. So get your pen and pad out. I'm about to give you the notes in sequential order, how you can go out and identify the market that you wanna invest in, what things should you be looking for, and how to go out and build your team in process of doing so. All right, so let's take it from the top. The first thing is, even if you have an idea of what market that you may want to go into, I strongly recommend you use this free tool called bestplaces.net, okay? Myself, my students, and many others use this inside of our program. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna take that city, that zip code, plug it into bestplaces.net. You're gonna go looking at the housing stats. And inside the housing stats, it's gonna tell you the makeup of that market. It's gonna tell you what percentage of homeowners are there, what percentage of renters are there. So take a wild guess. If there's a large demographic of renters, you probably want to buy cash flow properties in that market. If there's a large demographic of homeowners, you probably want to buy fix and flips potentially in that market, okay? Once you figure that out and you go and start looking at the real estate. So let's just say you don't even know a zip code. You just put in a city. And then you go to the real estate page on bestplaces.net for that city. It's going to show you all these varying zip codes where a lot of transactions are happening. Well, guess what? That's a clue. That could be a good indicator of a market that's pretty hot in that particular marketplace. So now, also on that same site, it's gonna show you various agents that are attached to these properties in some way, shape, or form, whether they've been list agents, etc. So when you start identifying who should you work with in that area, well, I will start cold calling these varying agents that you see, okay? So you go out, you make you a list, scrub the list, find you 20, 30 agents and start cold calling them. And I'm very intentional about telling you 20 to 30 because most of you will go out and you'll call one or two. Well, you got nothing to compare that to know whether or not you're with the right agent or not. Because if they know more than you, they're gonna sound right, okay? But that doesn't mean that they're right. So get you 20, 30 of them, start cold calling them, right? Have very intentional conversation with them. Hey, I'm a new investor, I'm in your area. I'm looking for properties that fit XYZ criteria, right? Have them start to send you properties for you to evaluate. And then, based on your evaluation, you figure out, is this a good deal that fits the vehicle, right? The vehicle being either I want to flip this property, I want to cash flow this property, I want to wholesale this property. So I just wanted to really get granular on this video because this has been a commonly asked question. For those that know me, I made a very good living over the last 17 years, 12 of which from investing remotely. I live in Orlando, I invest predominantly in the Midwest, and I've invested in other parts of the country. And we got students all over the world that invest remotely in different parts of the country as well. And so this is something that I want to see more people do, especially through a recession, especially through a more challenging real estate market. Many people are defaulting into what will be not desirable deals in their market just because they don't know how to get out and start looking for deals elsewhere, okay? So if you found this video to be helpful, click the like button, click the subscribe button, and more importantly, turn on the notifications so that you can start getting notified when I'm posting content like this, because I want to help you guys progress through my channel, okay? Thanks again for the follow, for the like, and also if you can share it, that'd be amazing with some people that you think that can benefit, and I will see you guys in the next video.